Hello, welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. You asked for it, you're going to get it. Another diet recipe. I try to invent these soups, but at the same time they have to work and they have to be nutritious. So what do I have now? Diet chicken, and all done in one pot. Just take a look at this chicken. Absolutely awesome. This one meal uses chicken thighs, which is more nutritious because of the brown part. And look how creamy it is. Now, what you see here is done in a slow cooker, and I'm not finished. So watch the entire video to see how this turns out. Here we go. Let's add 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs and cut into bite-sized pieces. And like I said, I like using this part of the chicken because it's more nutritious. Add about 1 small diced onion. You can use red or you can use white or even green onions if you want. Add 1 small diced hot pepper, and please put in some of the seeds because this is really good for this recipe. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic, and you could add more if you would like. Add 1 cube of chicken bouillon, and it should be low sodium. And to control those gases, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Now this is an option, and you know I don't like to use salt, but in this recipe I'm going to put half a teaspoon of salt to give it more flavor. Now here I'm adding 1 cup of water, and ratio I'm adding half a cup of white rice. Now you can use brown rice if you want, or you can even use couscous if you want. That's up to you. Now let's stir it well. Now put it into your slow cooker, covered with the lid, and turn it on to low and let it go for 5 hours. Now you can put it on high if you want, that depends on your time factor, but I find on low it marinates better and gives it a better flavor. Okay, it's been about 5 hours. Let's take a look and see how it looks. Oh, it looks absolutely great. Just take a look at this. But are we finished? No, we are not. Add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in about half a cup of water. Add that to the mixture. And to give it that creamy taste, I'm adding 1/3 cup of heavy cream, or 12% cream, which is a little bit on the lighter side. Okay, at this stage, let's taste it and see if you like it. Remember, this is for you, not for me. Now, as for me, I require just a little bit more salt, but just a little. And I want more fresh ground pepper. I love pepper. So, make yourself happy. Phew, here we go. Let's stir it a little bit. We're going to put the lid back on. We're going to set it or keep it on low and let it go for 1 more hour. And it's done. So let's put it into the bowl and see what we can do with this. Now let's have it my way. I want some chopped avocados. Is this enough for me? No, I want a little bit more. And to make it really good, some shredded old aged cheddar cheese. This is just out of this world. Am I finished? No, some chopped parsley. Now I hope you enjoyed this dish. I hope you try it. It will control your hunger pains. So all I can say now is goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around, and please do not forget to subscribe. Goodbye now.